People find it difficult to use both landscape and portraits in their Word document. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way of doing that without any difficulty. So follow my channel, like it, and share for others to see and also learn. So let's go. Welcome to Agutech Instructional Design, where we make learning easier and fun. Word document. When you launch your Word document, the default is portrait. Okay, let's take it that you are working with this default portrait and you get to the next page and you want the third page to start with landscape. So you go to layout. Okay, go to layout. When you go to layout, you see page break. Click on it and then you click on next page. When you click on next page, the next page will come. Then come to this page break settings here. You click here and then you change it to landscape and then leave this, apply to this section, leave it like that. Then click OK. You see that this next page will turn to what? Landscape, and your first two portrait is there. And if you are working with this landscape going and you want to change it back to portrait, the same procedure. You go to layout, click on page break, you say next page. For the next page to come to this side and then change it to portrait and then you click OK. You see that the next one too will change to what? A portrait for you. So your landscape is there, the first three landscape is there, and then your portrait is there. So this is the simplest way you can activate both portrait and landscape in your Word document. Thank you for watching.